cops. Not as much as Takashi, but yeah, they're cool. Let's do a little off-roading. There's a little spot over here. I do want to go off-roading, but it's wet. I think it's here. Yeah. Doing at this point. All right, don't fall. Don't fall. And don't get your tires punctured. Probably easy things to get done unless you're me. All right, almost there. And you know this is where you're gonna fall, right? Woohoo! Just gonna hang out on the side streets, man. Less cops, maybe? I don't know. Probably not. They're everywhere. As long as there's donuts around, I mean, or Starbucks. Doesn't matter. No, I'm kidding. I love cops. Not as much as Takashi, but yeah, they're cool. Damn. Looks like we got some pre-stone coolant just laying on there. It's a Jeep, so that's normal. I mean, issues. You know, ain't no cooperating for me, but if I can make him smile and get out of a ticket, offer him a Dunkin' Donut gift card, you know, I'll do it. Hey, where am I going? I don't care. I'll basically go anywhere right now. I mean, as long as it's not raining too bad so I don't mess up my GoPro. Looks like I might have to run a red light. Oh, okay, now it's activated. My fat ass actually activated it. I got this bike, a Kawasaki Z1000. It's a ZR1000B. It's a 2007. This thing is amazing. I mean, the maneuverability and the handling is just insane. No hands. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I do want to buy some of his stuff. I think it's papayas or mangoes he's selling. We'll buy some stuff from him. Support his local business. I mean, during the COVID-19, man, you can never support enough. You can always support more. Damn. All right, we're on 182nd. I don't have cash, so I'll probably go to ATM. Let's go to the ATM. The fuck out of here. Thanks. You too. I just needed a $5. You can give it to the next person. Yep. Actually, let's go this way. What do you have?
Mango, say 17.
Okay.
Uno?
Yeah, how much for like one?
$2.
$1?
No sé, $2.
2 for 2?
$3, así como.
Okay, okay.
Si quiere, a ver cuando quiera, pues.
Okay. Okay. I'll take see, I think I'll take 2.
2?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Esto es más mejor, ¿no?
Awesome. Thank you. That's good.
No, agarra más.
I can only fit 2.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good one. That's how I am with everything. I'm careless with everything. I mean, I've lost everything once before at least, including my sanity. No joke. That's some real shit. Probably not gonna gonna try wheelies for a while now because that failed horribly. That was like the worst fail I've ever had in my life on a bike, man. That failed wheelie attempt was so bad. It was horrible. I felt my chain almost snap, okay? That was ridiculous.